Sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of Fiverr cheat sheets. Okay, so you can see this tool is totally, in a nutshell, is giving you the tutorial of Fiverr. Okay, I totally recommend the beginner who want to earn good money, good profit, and good passive money. I don't want to tell passive money, but easy money from online. They can easily brought this product, and also with my bonuses. Okay, let me show you my bonus value. The bonus value is $6,397 custom bonuses, which I have collected from so many days, and it will be given to you once you have brought it from my side. Okay, so this Fiverr cheat sheets is totally a product which is based on tutorials. Okay, it will show you what is Fiverr and how to get gigs and how to grow more on Fiverr and everything about Fiverr. Okay, it gives you total 9 tutorials. I will recommend to not any to buy it, not for any advance, but I will recommend highly for beginners who want to earn from money. Okay, earn from Fiverr. Okay, sorry. So this is the review page, and after clicking the video description link, you will be redirected to this page, and you can get the software and also the bonuses. Okay, so this is the bonuses which I want to show you. So you can see these are the bonuses. Let me show you these bonuses. I don't want to make the video longer and lengthy by telling about each bonuses. Okay, because there are so many bonuses. Let me just show you. Just wait and watch. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, you can see I have put 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, because these days man has lesser reading span. That's why I have decided this. I have chosen this way, and I have put here 270 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. So basically I am giving you 320 plus bonuses, plus I mean softwares and plugins and some case studies also. Okay, so that will help you massively to learn how to earn online. Okay, so this will be given to you once you have brought it from my side, once you have brought Fiverr cheat sheets from my side. Okay, so once you have brought it, you can click this blue button to access the bonuses. Okay, so this was the review of Fiverr cheat sheets. Okay, so I am signing out. So the review was very little because this is a tutorial based software, and I have played just one video and the video was very good. Okay, I know about Fiverr, and the video I matched it with the video, and the video was good. That's why I recommend for beginner who want to learn Fiverr and earn Fiverr also. So I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.